Hey, Carl White here. All right, I got a question for you. This might seem uncool, but trust me, this will really help you out. If you were replaced tomorrow, what are you currently doing that your replacement would stop doing immediately? In other words, the question here is, what are you currently doing? What are you spending effort with? What are you investing time and or money in that's not actually getting you results, right? So the first thing we want to do is stop doing things that's not getting us results. A lot of times we feel this overwhelm that we need to be doing, all these different things that we see marketing people do. And oftentimes there's only one, maybe two of them that are actually moving the needle for us. Find out what those are. What are you currently doing that your replacement would stop doing? Man, that's a really good thing to look at. And then part two, how quickly can you stop doing those things? Hey, I'm Carl White. Would love for you to join us on the Loan Officer Breakfast Club. It's completely free, loanofficerbreakfastclub.com, loanofficerbreakfastclub.com, and join us Monday through Thursday, 8:30 in the morning, as we discuss these things to help you close more loans.